A long-condemned Rockford business center is slated to finally come down.
Aldermen voted to demolish the Broadway eyesore at Tuesday night's City Council meeting. Michelle Rave spoke to business owners around the property. Michelle, they believe the demolition will be good for business.
Many of the businesses I spoke to say that this is a good move on behalf of the city. It brings many neighboring businesses hope about the city keeping the area clean and trying to attract more businesses.
We've had an issue with the parking.
I mean, everyone wants a parking lot. I mean, we do.
Business owners along Broadway agree parking for customers is a major issue.
We have brides that come in and, I mean, the parking is awful down here. Well, there's no emergencies. We've had to close because we have nowhere to park.
Off the Top barbershop owner Jason Teisman says he's had to go to extremes to get people in the door.
I had to offer, hey, I'll give you $50 off or something just to come down to this area. And the area could use some love. We're trying to survive too, We could use a little extra foot traffic, and a lot of people don't want to come down to this area too much, anymore.
It's a problem they hope can be solved after this building near 7th Street comes down. Last night, Rockford aldermen approved its demolition.
It's been an eyesore for a lot of years here, and I've had a lot of calls on it. So I'm also happy so I can move on and get other buildings and houses in our ward that has to be torn down.
It's just been a mess. Everyone in the area has had a call about something. Pieces of the building are falling off. There's people running in and out of there.
Many hope the demolition can be the first step in the restoration of Broadway.
I want to see Broadway come up and be lively again like it was back in the days. With the new organization, the Broadway businessmen starting up, we're headed in the right direction.
Alderman Quinones tells me that he's working on bringing a bar to that area, and demolition is supposed to be happening within the next 45 days.
It sounds like they could use some new businesses there. All right, thanks, Michelle.